Hi, and welcome back to TW Reviews, and today I am going to review the Klic lock, smart lock, Klic. I got this lock from Walmart for $4, and it's definitely more than I expected for that price. Now, let's get started. So, this is called a smart lock because it's electric, it doesn't use a key or anything. And you could hook your phone up to this and unlock it with your phone. But if you don't have your phone, underneath it, there's numbers and the charging port right there. Now, to unlock it with the numbers, you push that, punch in the code, and then it unlocks. And then you just push it back in, and it's locked. Now, to unlock this with your phone, you need to download the Klic app, spelled Klic, and then you go to, oh, you can't see it. Well, you go to it, and the home screen says add lock, and you click that, and let's see. There you go. You can scan QR code, Bluetooth, or ID number. Now, I scanned QR code, and when you buy the lock, it comes with a QR code sticker, and I just scan it with my phone, and then it connects. And then you can name your lock. And you have to have Bluetooth on when you will unlock it. And then I click it, and then I turn it on with the red button, and I click unlock. And then it connects. And then see, it unlocked. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, see? Oh, you almost had it. Unlock. And it just instantly unlocks, almost. The first time you do it, it might take a couple seconds to connect and stuff for the first time. And then in the app, you can change this code right here to whatever you want. You can change that code, and then when you unlock it, so you don't just click the button and it unlocks, you can go into settings from the three dotted at the top right corner. You click that button, and then it comes up with the menu, and you click settings, and then you can put like a password. If you click the unlock button, you can make a password. So when you click the unlock button, it comes up with the password. That way if someone gets your phone, they can't unlock your lock. And then, so right now, this is 4123, and it unlocks. And now I'm going to change it on here to 1234. Now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to push the red button. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, now it's unlocked. And that's how you do it on the phone. And when I bought this, it says it has a 6-month battery last. And I haven't charged it since I got it. And this app tells me the life of it. And it was at 90 when I got it. And I've had this, and I've used this a lot since I got it like a week ago. And it's only lost 1%. So instead of being 90, it's at 89. So I do recommend this. This, I got it for $4. If you want a smart lock, this is what. But if you're trying to lock something safe, like something you don't want no one getting into, like, I don't know, like, if you come up to this, I watched a video where a guy took a screwdriver, popped this, took this plastic down here off, and in there he cut the battery off, cut the chip out and then connected the battery to the wires to the motor and just unlocked it without the code or anything. So if you're like locking up gold or something, I would use a way better lock than this. But if you're just locking up like, I don't know, like a door where you just want to make sure no one will get in case someone might get there and someone's desperate enough to get in, this would be a nice lock to use because you just walk up with your phone, unlock it. Well, I guess a locker lock at school. This would be a perfect lock. Like at a high school or something, you just put it on your locker, walk up with your phone, unlock it, and everything, and everybody thinks you're cool. It's magic. Alright, well, this is TW Reviews, and I'll see you next time.